Good day, everyone. Today we can have our discussion or repetitio as regards to the reflections on the meaning of human individual being by Saint Edelstein. This was discussed last April 15. So,
So our philosophical question is that how does the self continue to unfold and grow throughout one's life?
Now, our philosophical thesis the self is not a fixed entity, but a dynamic reality that continuously unfolds through personal experience, moral decisions, and a deep connection to God.
in other words, who we are is not something already complete. Instead, we are always in the process of becoming ourselves.
So as our personal experience, when I was transferred to a new school like the Xavier University, I initially struggled with insecurities and self-doubt. Over time, through friendships, challenges, and learning to trust myself, I discovered strength and values I didn't know I had. I realized I was not the same person the year before. Something within me had grown.
Now, to our objection, but if the self keep changing, how can we say that we have a consistent identity at all? Doesn't change undermine who we really are?
So, another example, after a major failure, I felt lost and questioned my abilities. Yet, that same experience pushed me to become more responsible and reflective. I did not lose my identity, I grew into a fuller version of it.
So, to our answers and our objection, change doesn't erase identity, it deepens it. Just as a seed becomes a tree, the self unfolds over time without losing its core. It becomes more of what it was always meant to be.
Now to our insights. True selfhood is a journey of becoming, shaped by how we respond to life and how we are to the call of something greater than ourselves.
So, lastly, to apply that application, today we choose to become growth rather than fear it. We choose to welcome growth rather than fear it. Every experience, even the difficult ones, is a chance to discover more about who I am and who I am called to be. So that would be all for our repetitio or discussion. Thank you.